Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kara with DoMyOwn.com. Today we're going to talk about an important topic for all you gardening enthusiasts out there. We'll be discussing how to prevent disease in landscape, trees, and shrubs, ensuring optimal plant health and enhancing the overall appearance of your home. So let's get started. Before we dive into disease prevention, it's crucial to know your plants and their specific requirements. Familiarize yourself with their sunlight, watering, and fertilization needs. Opting for native plants and disease-resistant varieties can significantly reduce the chances of encountering issues. Now let's move on to the first step in preventing plant disease. Maintaining proper sanitation is key to keeping your ornamentals healthy. Here are a few effective sanitation practices you can implement. Number 1, pruning. Regular pruning promotes air circulation and reduces the risk of disease. Trim away any dead or infected branches to prevent the spread of pathogens. Number 2, fallen leaf cleanup. During fall, make sure to pick up fallen leaves promptly. Many disease-causing spores tend to overwinter in decaying plant matter. By removing these leaves, you can minimize the chance of diseases taking hold. Number 3, plant spacing. Proper plant spacing is vital for good airflow. When plants are too close together, moisture can become trapped, creating a favorable environment for diseases to develop. Ensure adequate spacing between plants based on their growth habits. Now that we've covered our proper sanitation practices, let's shift our focus to detecting signs of early plant disease. Recognizing these signs early allows for a timely intervention and effective treatment. Here are some common indicators you should watch out for in ornamentals. Look for unusual markings or discoloration on the leaves. Spots, browning, or yellowing can be signs of disease. Number 2, early leaf drop and dieback. If you notice leaves dropping prematurely or branches experiencing dieback, it may indicate a disease is affecting your plants. Now let's discuss some common diseases that can affect trees and shrubs, along with the application of fungicides as a preventative measure. Diseases such as powdery mildew, blight, or needle cast, leaf spot, and rust are often encountered in trees and shrubs. However, specific diseases can vary depending upon the plant species. To combat these diseases, applying fungicides is crucial. Here are some tips for using fungicides effectively. Foliar application is typically the most common method. Ensure thorough coverage of the foliage while following the manufacturer's instructions. Myclobutanil, thiophanate methyl, copper fungicides, neem, and horticulture oil products are among the recommended fungicides. In the case of soil-borne diseases, some may require the use of a systemic fungicide, which can be applied directly to the soil. However, it's important to note that not all diseases require a systemic treatment. Apart from disease prevention, there are a few additional factors to keep in mind for optimal plant health. Regular soil testing is crucial to determine the right fertilization and soil amendments needed for your plants. Maintaining proper pH levels and nutrient balance is essential as well. Ensuring the overall health of your plants enhances the ability for them to fight off diseases. Proper pH, balanced fertilization, and avoiding over and under fertilizing are all key factors to consider. Remember to identify your plants, practice good sanitation, and be on the lookout for signs of disease. By following these guidelines and implementing proper care, you can create a healthy and vibrant landscape that enhances the beauty of your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.